Wire break. Wire easy to break? Wire broken in upper section? Yes. Inspection 25. 1. Check if few dielectric stream causes air inhaled. 2. Check if dielectric stream torn due to air entrance through upper nozzle. 3. Check if wire twisted. 4. Check if the contact phase on upper carbide plate worn out. No. Is wire broken in medium section? Yes. Inspection 26. 1. Check if it's slow water conductivity. Refer to working condition. 2. Check if dielectric fluid in clean water tank is pure. Check paper filter or dielectric fluid. 3. Consider change working condition FR, WF, etc. 4. Check if the impurities on wire rollers, wire tension roller, or abrasion sliding disturb wire traveling. 5. If thin workpiece is vibrate by high flushing pressure. 6. Check if metal chip drags something insert cutting path. No. Wire broken at the bottom section? Yes. Inspection 27. 1. Check the wire feeding speed at the passing used wire by erosion wear. Easy break at the bottom side of workpiece due to slow wire feeding speed. 2. To check if upper-lower carbide plates worn out. 3. To check with projector if upper-lower flushing nozzle damaged. 4. To check if drags something stuck in lower diamond guide. No. Wire broken at start point? Yes. Inspection 28. 1. To check if dielectric is torn. 2. To check if too strong lower dielectric pressure. 3. Consider too high machining energy putting on wire and descended. 4. To check if rusty or grease upper bottom faces of workpiece. No. Normal.